Hey, welcome to mixing tip number 9. This time, directly live from our camper. Today I will show you how to make fatter toms with reverb and pre-delay. Let's check the track. Let's listen to the toms in solo without the reverb. And now with reverb. Sounds way bigger. So what I'm doing here, I got the reverb, and this is important, the pre-delay. The pre-delay will make your toms way fatter, like you're putting them in a bigger room. After this, I'm EQing. I cut the mud out, and then I'm cutting the highs. I want to make space for vocals and cymbals and everything that is in this range. And at the end, I'm compressing the toms. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Have fun mixing and using this trick.